My bad.
Diciembre sin ti.
Can I get a solo shot?
Oh, what's up? Yeah, baby. A ver, no.
I'm just kidding.
No, güey.
I'm just
Huele bien rico, chiquitita. Oh, fuck.
Wait, that's you do this for like they pay you?
Yeah, they're paying me. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna lose any bitches over it. You're fine, Pumita.
Wait, so you're here every game? Like for all the games?
Yeah, sorry, I had to look at you. You're Ari.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to look at the mom. Like it's not free. Yeah.
Has my cousin played yet or no? Or just
Who's your cousin? The goalie.
Yeah.
They didn't qualify.
Oh, they did? Okay.
They got eliminated. Hey, Sonia called me about that. She was pissed.
About what?
The fight. Did you hear about the fight?
Oh, I think I heard her talking about it. Something about like I don't know her name, but she was saying a bunch of girls' names, but like that they were fighting with like little girls.
Yeah, they're all like 19. Yeah, they're all really young. And Itzel is my age, 32, with a kid. With a kid, and she's just like big. So imagine me fighting you, bro. You're a little girl. I'm like big. I'm a big bitch. So like,
We're like the same age.
no, I'm not.
I'm about to be 27.
Shut the fuck up. I'm 32.
32.
Oh, well, mami, ya estamos viejas acá. Ya estamos viejas acá, güey.
$42. 32 o 23.
She's like that, 32.97.
Yeah, she's like 23. She put wrong the number.
Anyways, she was pissed. I can't find it. I'll find it during halftime because I gotta record. But sorry, baby girl. Sorry. Who are you watching?
Oh, my friends are playing right here.
Oh, I saw.
No, I just see someone staring at that.
Ooh, who did that? Oh,
I think it was Sammy or was it?
Sammy.
Wait, that's Thelma?
Creo.
Yeah, it's Telma.
Esa amor es buena.
¿La Telma?
La chiquita esa, la Ili. She's a really good forward.
She's cute. She's petite. I
Qué
like them.
verga.
No, not in a gay way. She's cute. Like, no homo,
No
bro.
perdonas nada.
No, I can say she's cute too. I wouldn't fuck her. They're just cute. I go both ways, bitch.
Unos chistirrines acá en la esquina.
Pendeja. No, but she is cute. Like, she's petite.
No, sí
She's
está bonita. Bueno,
pinche jota. Otra.
soy de clase.
You classified, right? So you're gonna go watch him or no?
Yeah, I'll see you.
Adios. Con cuidado, no fighting. Sí, pero no luego, güey.
I don't know.
No wonder she's been posting
Being what?
thirst traps. No wonder she's been posting thirst traps. I think she's probably one of the prettier girls, like the soccer girl. En mi opinión, I think she's one of the prettier ones.
No conozco. Bueno, no sé ni cómo se mira. Ánimo. That's crazy. That's a golazo.
I think I caught it, but le di un pinche zambombazo. So where are we going after this?
Te odio. I don't know.
No, just be careful. You know, just be careful.
I don't want to be careful.
Well, do you want to fuck him or you want to date him?
No, yo sí quería andar con él porque anduve con otros dos y uno no supera a su esposa, el otro anda con otro.
Su esposa, güey, no mames. No mames. ¿Andas con viejitos o qué?
Dude, you know what's the worst part? They're younger than I.
And they have kids, esposas?
Yeah. ¿Son de aquí?
¿Son de militar o qué?
No, son del fútbol.
No, güey, el fútbol no te conviene. Están todos bien quemados.
Ya.
También las morras están bien quemadas, güey. Todas. Yo con una de fútbol.
Pega nomás.
Ay, no mames.
Pero es que los otros dos con los que yo anduve quedando, era como low key, like, the only people that know es los que están en el ambiente.
Yeah, but still, bro.
You wanna know who?
Hold on, well, I'm recording, bitch. I have to meet it. Huh? Tell me in the ear.
El primero fue. You know what the worst thing? He was like show picture. ¿Y qué hiciste, hijo?
fuck the soccer community. I'm telling you, una del fútbol, a lo mejor una de Tijuana sí. Pero las de aquí están todas quemadas, güey.
Really?
Todas quemadas.
Güey, yo llegué como pinche diamante en bruto así.
¿Sí?
Porque pues yo no, ni en Tijuana sé correr. No.
No, yo tampoco, güey. A mí no me han tocado. En el fútbol al menos no. En otro
En
lugar.
el fútbol no. Si we're talking about the soccer community, aquí no.
Aquí no, aquí yo soy virgen con los de fútbol, güey.
I will see. We'll see in the next episode.
Of Dragon Ball Z.
I know. You know what? I don't feel bad.
Why?
Porque yo nunca fui como mala con ellas. I was like really nice to them.
Honestly, I figured that's why you were hanging out with them for so long.
To be with them?
The other. Hold on.
With who?
Because they were trying to hook you up.
Oh no.
That's what.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was. She's hot, pero su persona. I don't like her personality.
No, es bien mierda, güey.
Físicamente, sí.
Güey, tiene cuadritos de toda la verga. How come?
¿Tiene cuadritos? Porque está flaca, güey.
Pues te saca, pero no tengo cuadritos, tengo como que círculo. Se fue tan loco.
No, pero ya su personalidad está muy culera, muy agresiva, muy llevada.
Muy grosera.
Muy grosera. Nos hemos dado yo y ella en el fútbol. Porque she's tall.
No.
I'm tall too. So we're just like,
She does that. That's crazy. Ay, no. El amor de mi vida es un sugar, entonces.
sí. El amor de tu vida soy yo, pendeja. Y ni siquiera lo sabes.
Pero te das una chance, pica, para que viva. Que experimentes. Güey. That's crazy. Bueno, con la esperanza y un amarre.
Yo tengo una esperanza, güey. Yo aquí te espero. Ya te dije, si te pones el pinche hair blow bun.
Aquí la presión, aquí hay chance para todos. ¿Qué está diciendo? De que... Mira la verga. Bótate la verga.
What's the score? Es 4-2, ¿no? 4-2.
Oh, she's on the girl.
Me too, bro. I'm gonna have to mute this whole fucking video. ¿Cuál música voy a poner?
Ahora te busco una bien perro, no aguanto.
No, güey, aquí andamos con
What's the score?
Be right back.
Mercadito. Ah, no me agarres la lonja, pendeja.
What's the score?
I
I
think,
didn't know there was a indoor field. This is nice.
yeah, this is different. I think
Can we use this field? Or it's like really private?
I think it's pretty private. Mercadito's up, I think 5-2, 6-2, 6-3. I don't know.
Yeah,
But Trueno.
Give me back, I'm playing. I'm back.
Shut the fuck up. No, you're not.
I am.
Te traen amarrada, güey.
Oh, yeah, no.
I'm surprised you actually came today, bro.
I was busy, dude. I was running some errands.
How are you, dude?
Good.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Hey, el 15 no podemos ir a ver los toros because it's Father's Day and I forgot.
I know. I was gonna tell you too. I forgot too. Well, I was fucking running.
It's Father's Day, yo sí tengo papi. Tú también tienes papi.
Sí, yeah.
Sí.
I was getting some regalitos from my dad right now, and then you hooked me up, and I was like, oh shit, let me go. But I thought it was the other indoor, like the guy.
Damn, that was a good save. Good shit, Alyssa! Good shit!
Mother doesn't play here?
I think Baja forfeited. That's what they told me.
Reach.
Yeah.
Damn. Why the fuck her? With the ball.
What's going on? Why from that side? So what's new with you?
What is it? First half, second half?
Second.
Late, huh?
Second, yeah. You just started though.
It's because I'm scared of my knee. Like, I've been training, and it hasn't been hurting. But
Yeah, it still hurts. A veces se le...
sí, güey, hago un movimiento malo, and that's where my knee is like. Yeah, so I'm scared. Like, I'm gonna just bro, right now, I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna just play what I have to play. If I get hurt, find
It's because baby steps, babe. Go run on the beach. On
yeah.
the sand.
Oh, I haven't known it.
The sand is gonna be good for your knee porque no te va a doler. You know, no vas te va a ¿cómo? I don't know how to fucking speak Spanish. Amor. What the fuck is that? The word I'm trying to say? Like hydraulics in Spanish. How do you say hydraulics in Spanish? Yeah, how do you say hydraulics in Spanish?
Amortiguador.
Esa madre.
¿Qué dijiste? Brownies?
We're talking about bad knees, and then I was like, oh yeah.
Di un pase ahí medio raro y me dolió la rodilla.
Sí, es lo que le estoy diciendo a la alma.
Me veo chueca, corre chueca.
Me veo choca. No seas mamón.
No, real.
Me veo chueca.
Esa morra la
Sí, es buena.
es muy buena. La verdad.
¿Y sabes qué, güey? Sabe usar su cuerpo.
Sí, y es rápida y lo que te
Sí. ¿Y sabes quién? ¿La Bianca llegó tarde?
¿Quién es Bianca?
La morenita.
Sí.
Yeah. Ella también es buena, pero...
Sí, juega bien.
¿Y cuál era la otra semifinal?
Baja contra Yoga.
Oh, that one's gonna be a good one.
Pero según Baja forfeited.
Sí, que porque no había jugadores.
That's
¿Y
crazy.
yo
¿Cómo se van
buscando,
a Tijuana?
¿y yo buscando un equipo?
Pues sobres.
Nah.
Güey, ¿qué
¿Ya no
no.
juegas o qué?
Sí, ya, apenas. I was telling Alma que me ayude.
Pues sobres. Mira el Bruno.
Pero es que tampoco no quiero entrar a unos equipos que ya tengan un chingo de jugadoras. Y son casi todos.
Sí, güey, ¿tienen cuántos? ¿5
Pues
cambios?
en baja no se completan,
Pues no sabía.
pero ya. Bueno, quién sabe si uno vaya a meter al equipo otra vez. Sí, sí.
Yo le dije que no, güey, que no les patrocinen nada. Yo dije,
pues
Bruno, ¿para qué, güey?
La neta sí, güey, el Bruno es bien bueno
Sí. Y ni siquiera, like, you can't even show up, bro. You're not paying for shit.
y ya sé.
Ya,
Or at least say, hey, no voy a poder para que puedan conseguir.
Bueno, amigos, dale, están las dos juntas aquí. Están pegadas, Kim, arráncate al otro lado.
Yeah, baby. My nipples are hard. what's the score? Como 5-6, ¿no?
5-2. Porque ya no nos metió. Pero es que también.
4 teams, yeah. I want to make a team, bro. With a bunch of morritas.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I think we can.
Ashley's trying to find some teams too.
Ashley, man. Respectfully. You know what, sabes que mejor no vengas.
It's hard. It's still hard.
She's trying to play over here?
Anywhere. We're trying to look for teams right now, but it's because over there too, there's only like 3 or 4 teams.
That's what I heard.
Are like
this, no? Ooh, that was a good shot.
I like the blue team.
Ah, ya hace frío.
Like the blue team, I'll be down to play with them.
Mm.
Like I want
Trueno?
some girls that like try, you know?
Yeah.
Cause
They have a lot
before
of-
my injury, low key, I used to fuck around a lot, but now I'm like, nah, no.
You're serious about it?
Go for the team.
I want to put a team. I know a bunch of morritas that are good that haven't played here.
Let's go. Next
Let's
season.
do it.
Let's do it.
But you better fucking come, eh?
Promise.
It's-
Well, I've been doing double sessions too.
Where do you practice?
At my sobrino's high school, O'Farrell.
Because they're out of school or what?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cold. My nipples are so hard right now.
I can still go in the mornings. They don't start until like 8.
No, let it run, Kim. Good job, girls. Good job. Good job.
Tengo frío and I don't even know whose sweater this is. I think it's red. I don't know.
Ponte dura, miro.
Who's winning?
Mercadito.
Mercadito. Answer him.
I didn't hear him. I genuinely didn't hear him.
He's like, who's winning? He was like, yeah. So we can answer.
Ay, güey. Así como bajo la pelota te voy a bajar los calzones.
No, no.
¿No tienes calzones? Why? You're airing it out or what? Yeah, I think we're gonna go get food after this if you want to come with us.
Oh.
I think right now me and Gabby, I don't know who else is coming. But the Mercadito girls. We're not friends anymore.
What about the guys in semis?
Hmm?
What about the guys?
I think so. You know what? I haven't seen Ariana play.
But But you be playing too, no?
No, nomás miércoles. There's no leagues, bro. Aquí no me hallo, no, yo no ocupo.
Yeah, like with us. Like,
Can't do it with cones, bro. I need the fucking line. And these two lines me confunden, güey, porque is it that one or is it this one?
I know, they invited me. It's because, I mean, they invited me Saturdays, but I can't
Where?
Saturdays, dude. Like, I work.
Where?
I can't Saturdays over there at Academia.
Um.
I just can't. And then,
Oh, you're not playing on Wednesday anymore, huh?
no, Sundays, there's no league. Thursday, the sala. But there's fucking games like 11 in the night, 10 in the night. I'm not trying to freaking...
That's where the girls play anyways.
Uh-huh. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's the 10 p.m. And I'm like, I know.
Hey, they picked up the pace, eh?
Sala?
No. Trueno picked up the pace.
Yeah. Maybe when I get my Sentry, I'll start playing like the later games, you know?
Yeah.
So I can cross like in and out before I go.
I just saw her yesterday. That bitch is so hot.
She's so hot?
I'll be looking, bitch. And I tell her, I'll be like, damn, you're hot. Yeah.
Yeah,
And then back to compas.
I think she's hot. One of the hottest girls. And we went back to really funny.
We went back to what?
To being compas.
Yeah. Because I'll say it, bro. I'll be like, damn, you look good. I wouldn't do anything, you know? But
You know, I was at like a sports store.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, there was a lot of Padres stuff, and I was like,
for Melly.
yeah. I don't know. I always siempre se me viene a la mente. Damn, so sweet.
Yeah. I don't know, están jugando más, están poniendo más presión ahorita ellas. Es que ocupan un gol porque no sé.
Yeah, dude, I focus on losing weight. Guess cuántas libras
Ay.
I
10.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, how do you know?
I don't know, bro. I just guessed.
Yeah, dude.
Good for you, dude.
Yeah.
Keep at it.
Ya no me quedaban mis pantalones.
That's a size. You know every 10 pounds is a size?
Dude, I was 12.
Se me ocurrió un plan maligno.
¿Qué pedo? Encárame. ¿Juegas ahorita? ¿Con semis? Arre.
Number 3. Can you see me?
I can't because we're not homies like that. I'm homies with her. No, we can't do that.
We'll give it a little second more.
Okay. Let's sit on it until next week and then sí, güey. Yo no me quedo con nada.
No, yo tampoco. Yo soy muy karma.
Me gusta venderme.
Low-key.
No, fuck no karma. Karma solito. Yo lo quiero, yo lo hago por mi propia cuenta.
No, a mí se me gusta cómo el karma se regresa después que me hacen algo. como el primero. Sé que
Espérame, güey, espérame. Estoy.
mucho.
Me estoy poniendo nerviosa.
¿Ya va 4-5?
4-5, güey.
Güey, ahorita fallaron una. Sí, hubiera sido el five.
Güey, quedan 2 minutos. Quedan 2 minutos.
I didn't know that.
Because I'm recording, look, 18 minutes. 1 minute.
So if they score one more,
Tie.
fuck.
And they're on your ass, bro. You guys haven't been on this side. Like 2 shots en todo el juego. Segundo.
De hecho, del segundo no han metido gol.
No. Ahí ha estado la pelota de ese otro lado. Ahorita el que tenga los huevos más grandes va a ganar. Pero también tienes un minuto. No, qué puta.
¡Ovarios, ovarios! Quiere decir que se pega el balón para allá.
Sí, güey.
Trae huevos, ¿eh?
Es así.
Eso sí trae huevos.
Ay, güey.
¿Qué, güey? ¿Te duele la cabeza o qué?
No estoy nerviosa.
Tranquilo.
Es que, ¿a quién le voy? ¿A las azules o a las guindas? ¿A
Oh,
quién le
you're
voy?
friends with the blue ones too?
Yeah.
La que gane mejor. A ninguna, mija, no lo ves a ninguna.
A la Telma me lo voy a llevar a Las Vegas.
¿A quién?
Telma, de azul.
Ah.
Ahí sí, Telma in the gym.
Oh, yeah, ¿también Ari? ¿Y la saludas?
Yeah.
Do you work out with her? Ya se acabó.
I don't work out with it.